What is the MSFAS N plus rule? So the reason why I'm saying N plus is because we used to have N plus 2 and now we have N plus 1. So those who studied, I think prior to 2018, had N plus 2. We currently have N plus 1. So as someone who experienced N plus 1 firsthand, I can try and explain what it is to the best of my ability. So in 2019, I started my bachelor's degree in computer systems at the University of Free State. This particular qualification was 3 years long. So after my first year at Free State, I decided to pursue a computer science degree at the University of Johannesburg. So now I was going for a 4-year qualification. MSFAS always counts your first qualification as your N. So I left a 3-year degree for a 4-year degree, meaning my N plus 1 was only 4 years. So when I did my first year at UJ for that 4-year degree, I was already into my second year of funding, meaning I only had 2 more years left to be funded. Hence, I did not have funding in my 4th year at UJ because I had already used up my N plus 1. So NSFAS always counts your first qualification as your N, no matter how many years your second qualification will be. The N plus 1 rule does not only apply to people who were funded by NSFAS. So from what I know, even if you were in university and maybe doing your second year and you did not have NSFAS, let's say you apply for NSFAS in your 3rd year and you get it, and you start being funded by NSFAS from your 3rd year of study, NSFAS will still count those 2 years that you've been enrolled in university. So according to a lady that I confronted at NSFAS, well, via email, when I was questioning my appeal, the N is not the number of years you have been funded. Really, it is actually the number of years you have been enrolled in an institution. So if you've already been in university for 2 years and you only get funding in your 3rd year via NSFAS, they will count that 2 years they did not fund you. Hope this clarifies what the N plus 1 rule may mean. If you have any more questions, you can ask in the comment section. If I know the answers to it, I will definitely respond. If anybody else knows the answers to it, I know they will respond, but feel free to engage and ask those questions because this is very relevant information that I wish I knew prior to that final year where I had to just make sure that I go to school. If I had most of this information early, it could have prevented a lot of things. So I hope this video helps someone. I hope this clarifies things for you, and I hope this helps you prepare if you will be in this situation. If you want to know how to prepare, the video that I posted